everyone. If you are tired of the 9-to-5 grind, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down how to make a living without clocking into a cubicle. And at the end of this video, you want to stay tuned because I'm going to be revealing a secret hustle that is seriously underrated and is seriously profitable. So let's go. Picture this. No alarm clock, no boss, and best of all, no Monday dread. This secret hustle I'm going to tell you guys about is unconventional but genius, and you don't even need a huge audience to make it work. So stick with me. Let's talk about how people are ditching their 9-to-5 and still stacking income. So you can freelance almost anything, from writing, editing, coding, even social media, and you set your schedule and you can work from anywhere. You also have contract work, and contract work is great if you're still kind of testing the waters on solo work because you can do it part-time and it's a short-term thing. And of course, content creation. You don't have to be an influencer. Anyone can build an audience today. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, the key is to stay consistent. Selling products or services. Whether it is digital downloads, handmade items, or maybe an online course, if you've got skills, you can sell it. But if you're not into any of those, that's where my secret hustle comes in. All right, so here is the secret hustle that no one is talking about, but it is taking off. Feet Finder. Yep. Selling feet pics online is 100% a thing, and people are making some serious cash on the side doing it. Feet Finder is a platform made for this exact purpose. They have verified users, secure payment through SegPay or Paxum, and you don't have to worry about getting weird DMs like other sites. You stay in control. The best part is you don't even have to show your face. You don't have to have a lot of skills. All you have to have is some creativity, some confidence, and the biggest part, consistency. Real talk, leaving your 9-to-5 isn't always instant, but it's about creating multiple streams of income to put the power back in your hands. So whether you are freelancing, content creation, or Feet Finder, it's all about stacking your money and monetizing your skills. So if you're ready to start living life on your terms and ditch the office grind and learn how to make a living without working a 9-to-5, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe for more side hustle tips, and be sure to drop a comment down below about the side hustle that you are starting. Feet Finder fam, we are high-key winning out here.